Hello guys, I'm back and this time it's the first look and hands-on video for the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. So, you are watching Tech Extreme, I'm Sarim. Let's get started. So guys, I got these hands-on video from C Tech Care and he got these from the source as Venas World. So we are just a day ahead of MWC S9 Plus launch, S9 and S9 Plus launch, and the guy provided us with these images. So it's awesome. We got the real Galaxy S9 leaks. These are not any fake S9 or clone or something like that. These are pretty much the real Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So S9 here is in midnight black and the S9 Plus is in titanic grey color. So both of them are looking excellent and awesome. They have the dual camera design on the S9 Plus and a single camera design on the S9, and with the fingerprint scanner just below the camera, as we have heard about them in the leaks and rumors. So here it's the boot animation of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. It says here Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and below that is secured by Knox, and it's a live demo unit. So guys, as you can see here, there isn't any side bezel, as the leaks and rumors were suggesting that there is a huge side bezel on the left and right of the device, but it's looking pretty much the same as the Galaxy S8, and it's damn good. I love the design of the Galaxy S8, so I didn't have any complaints regarding the design of the Galaxy S9. It's still a very good design in 2018. And I personally kinda not like the notch design on the iPhone 10. So it's my opinion, your may be different. So no complaints regarding that. So the guy didn't leak any UI look or something like that. He just leaked the back look and the animation, boot animation look. So by seeing these images, I'm pretty much excited about the Galaxy S9 as it's looking damn awesome in these images, and I'm very excited for MWC event and for tomorrow 25th of February, and I will be surely uploading a vid on the Galaxy S9 tomorrow as well. So here is one more leak of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So here the Galaxy S9 Plus is in midnight black, and then we have Vivek purple color of the Galaxy S9 and a coral blue color of the Galaxy S9 Plus. So as you can see, the new color, that is the Vivek purple, looks awesome. It's damn good. And if I bought the Galaxy S9, then I will get it in Vivek purple color, that's for sure. And here is the retail unit leaked as well. So it says full rectangle Super AMOLED display, super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel OIS camera with variable aperture lens, and then of course the dual camera lens on the Galaxy S9 Plus, and super slow-mo 8 megapixel selfie camera, and stereo speakers tuned by AKG, and IP68 water and dust resistant iris scanner, that all stuff. And it says 6 GB RAM, so now it's confirmed that the S9 Plus is gonna have 6 GB of RAM. No issues regarding that. So guys, it's happening for the first time for Galaxy S lineup flagship to have a stereo speaker, or it's the first time for Samsung flagship to have stereo speakers, and I'm sure that they will sign pretty now. So I am very excited about the MWC S9 launch. Are you? Tell me in the comments below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.